Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best black pool table is probably one of the most striking and sophisticated additions you can make to your home entertainment space, offering a sleek, modern aesthetic that elevates any game room or living area. Imagine the thrill of sinking a perfect shot on a surface that not only plays impeccably but also serves as a stunning centerpiece, transforming casual gatherings into memorable events. This isn't just a piece of furniture, it's an investment in fun, style, and quality time with friends and family, promising countless hours of competitive enjoyment and a touch of class that will be admired by all who enter your home. Number 5. GoSports 6, 7, or 8-foot billiards tables. Introducing the GoSports billiards table, the perfect addition to your game room or apartment. Enjoy competitive games without the hassle of a full-size table. Everything you need is right in the box. It comes with 15 regulation balls, a cue ball, ball rack, 2 cue sticks, chalk, and a felt brush for easy maintenance. This mid-size table is great for competitive play but small enough to store anywhere. Its dimensions make it ideal for various spaces. Forget complicated setups. This table is ready to play right out of the box. Simply unfold the legs and start the fun immediately. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame for stability, it also features a premium felt surface for incredibly smooth gameplay. Keep it looking great with the included felt brush. While a minimum room size of 15 foot x 13 feet is recommended, you can adapt it for smaller spaces with shorter cues. It's perfect for game rooms, apartments, and offices. What we like. This table is ready to play right out of the box, making it incredibly convenient. If you want to start playing immediately without any hassle, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who value ease of setup and quick fun. What people say. The felt on this table is very smooth and durable, providing a great playing surface. The pockets are well made and catch the balls effectively without damaging them. The solid wood construction gives the table a sturdy and premium feel. Number 4. Champion Sports Mesh Equipment Bag. Introducing the ultimate storage solution for your sports equipment. Made with heavy-duty, durable nylon, this bag is built to last and comes in a variety of vibrant colors. Keep your belongings safe and sound with the adjustable drawstring and lock feature. It ensures everything stays tucked away until you're ready for it. Plus, an ID tag makes for easy identification. This bag is crafted from soft, breathable material, allowing wet or sweaty gear to dry quickly. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells after your trips to the pool or long tournaments. Its multifunctional design makes it perfect for a variety of uses. Store socks, laundry, delicates, swimming gear, or even beach toys. It's a true all-in-one stuff sack. Whether you're a student, parent, or coach, this strong and secure mesh bag is ideal for all your needs. Organize gym equipment or keep workout clothes conveniently stored. What we like. This bag is designed with breathable mesh to keep your gear dry and odor-free. If you need a durable and versatile storage solution for sports equipment, laundry, or anything else, this is a great option. It's perfect for athletes, students, or anyone needing to organize their belongings. What people say. The felt on this table is a good quality, durable material that holds up well to regular use. The playing surface is very level and true, providing an excellent and consistent game. The pockets are well made and deep enough to catch the balls securely without bouncing them out. Number 3. Hathaway Spartan 6-foot pool and ping pong combo table. Introducing the Hathaway Spartan 6-foot combo table, your all-in-one solution for family fun. This versatile table offers both pool and ping pong for endless entertainment. Everything you need is right here. It comes with billiard balls, cues, chalk, and even a table tennis conversion top with paddles and posts. Designed to impress, its sleek look complements any room. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for smaller spaces without sacrificing playability. Switch from a game of pool to an exciting table tennis match in moments. It's the perfect way to maximize your fun and entertainment options. Crafted with premium materials, this table is built to last. Enjoy a smooth playing surface for precise shots and years of family enjoyment. Gather your friends and family for exciting gameplay. It's designed for players of all ages and skill levels, promising hours of competitive fun. What we like. This product offers the excitement of two classic games in a single, stylish unit. If you're looking to maximize entertainment in a smaller space and want options for family game nights, this is an excellent pick. It's perfect for creating lasting memories with loved ones. What people say. The felt on this table is very smooth and durable, providing a consistent playing surface. The ball return system is efficient and works flawlessly, making it easy to retrieve balls after each shot. The solid wood construction gives the table a sturdy and stable feel, ensuring it won't wobble during intense games. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 10.1 inches 16GB Wi-Fi Black, renewed. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Tab 4, a versatile tablet designed for your everyday needs. Experience its sleek design and reliable performance. This device runs on the Android 4.4 KitKat operating system, providing a familiar and user-friendly interface. Enjoy seamless navigation and access to a wide range of apps. Under the hood, it boasts a 1.2 GHz quad-core Qualcomm processor. This ensures smooth multitasking and responsive performance for all your applications. With 16 GB of flash memory and 1.5 GB of RAM, you have plenty of space for your files and apps. It also comes with 50 GB of free Dropbox storage for added convenience. Immerse yourself in the vibrant WXGA display with a resolution of 1280 by 800. Enjoy crisp visuals for videos, games, and browsing. Need more space? Easily expand its storage up to 64 GB with a microSD card slot. Keep all your important data easily accessible. What we like. This is a renewed tablet offering solid performance for everyday tasks. If you're looking for an affordable way to enjoy a tablet experience with expandable storage, this could be a good fit. It's suitable for users who need a device for browsing, media consumption, and light productivity. What people say. The pool table is well constructed and sturdy, providing a stable playing surface. The felt is smooth and durable, ensuring consistent ball roll and playability. The pockets are well-sized and easy to aim for, making gameplay enjoyable. Number 1. Best Choice Products Tabletop Billiard Table. Bring the excitement of the arcade right into your home. This 40-inch table offers endless hours of fun for family and friends, creating memorable moments together. Crafted with durable composite wood and featuring non-slip leg grips, this table is built for lasting support. It's made with reliable materials that meet US safety standards. Keep your game organized and tidy with convenient built-in clips for cue sticks. All accessories, including the legs, store neatly inside the included bag. Its space-saving design and easy-to-remove legs make setup a breeze. You can quickly assemble it and start playing in any room of your home. Get ready to play right out of the box. It comes complete with 2 cue sticks, chalk, a full set of balls, a racking triangle, and a felt brush for easy maintenance. What we like. This tabletop pool table is perfect for quick games and easy storage. If you have limited space but still want to enjoy a game of pool, this is an ideal choice. It's great for apartments, dorm rooms, or as an addition to a game room for instant fun. What people say. The felt on this table is very smooth and durable, providing a consistent playing surface. The pockets are deep and well stitched, preventing balls from bouncing out during play. The solid wood construction gives the table a sturdy and stable feel, ensuring it won't wobble during intense games. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.